Hey, my chickadees. Merry Christmas. Welcome back to the back 40. Well, Mama Juju's done it again. Okay. I have something for you, ladies. 'Twas the night before Christmas. Back 40 style. 'Tis the night before Christmas, and all through the trailer nothing was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the shotgun with care, in hopes that Santa would lose his list and soon be there. The kids were all snug as a bug in the bed, with visions of WWE in their heads. Ma in her flannel and I in my boots just settled down for a beer and a nap. When all at sudden there came some kind of ruckus. I yelled for Ma to see what was the matter. She waddled to the screen and peeled back the curtains. The light outside was all aglow, bouncing off the truck and the boat. As bright as day, you could see the steel below. Wouldn't you know it, to my redneck eyes, I saw but a little sled and 8 tiny reindeer. I yelled for Ma to grab my gun. I reckon the hunt had begun. It must be the revenuers after my bun. But just in time, Santa I saw, faster than Jackrabbit they did come. He whistled and he shouted and called 'em by name. Now Dancer, now now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer, now Vixen, on Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen, to the top of the porch and to the top of the steel. Now dash away, dash all away. As the leaves stirred about, and it almost hit the antenna, but it claimed it and climbed it just like a scout. On top of the trailer he did land, with that sleigh full of toys, and Santa Claus just dandy and Dan. And then in the scoot I heard 'em on the roof, the prancing, the pawing of the little bitty hoose. As I drew in my gun and whipped around, down the chimney Santa did come. He was dressed all in fur, from his head to his tail. His clothes was as dirty as hell. A bundle of toys he flung on his back. He looked like a burglar filling his sack. His eyes, how they twinkled. His cheeks were like roses. His nose like a cherry, grinning like a possum. Beard as white as his blow. The roach he did held tight in his teeth. The smoke encircled his head like some good old reef. He had a broad grin on his face and a big old belly that shook like a bowl of jelly. He was fat and fine and laughed when I saw him. A winkle in his eye and a twist of his head soon gave me the reckon I knew I had nothing to dread. Saying nothing, he commenced a working and filling all the stockings. Then he turned with a jerk, laid his finger on the side of his nose, gave me that nod, and up the chimney he rose. He jumped on his sled, to his dears he whistled. Away they flew like a missile. But I heard him yell as he drove out of sight, "Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, to all and all a good night." Night, y'all. Love you.